Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Fishing with Nordbye. Today, I have my best friend Faith and my best husband Andrew.
Hey, we're back at it.
A fishing challenge for first, biggest, and most.
You heard her.
Out of 2 ponds. This pond right here, and the pond at our venue.
Okay. Okay.
What does the loser have to do, Faith? Go to a public place. It could be a store or it could be a gas station, and they have to fart in public. That is what the loser.
All right, Scout's out here with us too. So,
yeah, I just stunk.
The loser of the whole challenge today, we're going to 2 different ponds. The first pond, we're doing first, biggest, and most. That's 3 points. If you catch the first one, you get a point. Biggest, you get a point. Most, you get a point. Then we're going to our lodge and venue pond, doing the same thing. So a total of 6 points is what is available today. And the person that scores the least amount of points, you heard Faith, has to go into a public place, and we're gonna have a fake farting noise, and they have to do it. It's gonna be hilarious. That's gonna be at the end of this video, so stay tuned. We're starting here. We're at the first pond. Cody's using a Senko, wacky rig Senko to start.
Faith's already fishing.
Faith's using a Texas rig Senko. Scout's sniffing them out for her. I'm using a new signature chatterbait. You guys have not seen that. It's just coming out. It's a prototype. It's coming out very soon, so stay tuned.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Go! There's one. Yep. The first. Right now I got the first, biggest, and most. 1-0. My signature chatterbait. Woo! 14-incher. Yeah. Yeah. What do you think about that? Huh? 1 up on you.
Wow.
This chatterbait's amazing. You guys are gonna love it. I'll be talking about it soon. Working our way around the pond. They're getting a head start on me. Oh, Cody's got one. Gotta jump the creek. We'll be able to tell who catches the biggest one, I think. Nice, babe.
Look how big
On the
that
board.
thing is.
On the board. I'm sorry. I got you beat. Good job. Senko. It's too windy for a wacky rig, so we put on a Texas rig for Cody. Any bites, Faith? You had one here? Yeah. Shouldn't have moved. Good job, babe. I'm gonna steal your spot. I think I stepped on fire ants. I did. Ah! Oh, I had a bite right there. Shoot. That one. Yeah. Woo! Number 2, guys. Number 2. The chatterbait. Tipped it with a fluke. He missed it. I cast right back there, and he ate it the second time. There's one. Yep. Oh, that's a slaunch. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my goodness. That is a giant. Yes. Woohoo. He is skinny. Why is he so skinny? Man, kind of good. Big old hooks on that. Super skinny. Big old head. He's got like a 4-pound head. He probably only weighs 3. That's a stud. Woo!
No, it's not.
Yep. Oh my gosh. Look at that one, guys. See ya. Woo! That was a giant. I got hit on the cast before that too. Oh, he spit it.
Oh, take it out.
Ah! Ha. Spit it.
Maybe me and Face need one.
There's a little guy. See it? See it? What do you think about those fish, huh, Scout? Yeah. Pound it. Pound it for the boys. Bam. Yeah. Scout and I are winning.
Scout is not.
Jump! How you feeling?
Not so great. Feeling great.
So, we've made around half the pond. We got the other half to go. I'm up on them. 4 to 1 to a bite. Let's get some more. One good one. There's some ones twice that size in here, and some ones 3 times that size at the next pond. So, let's see if we can get on a giant, a real giant. Not one of those skinny little ones. You better catch one, babe. Oh, they also swapped out to a chatterbait, both of them. So now we're all throwing chatterbaits. So, they seem to be hitting that today. Let's see if we can get a few more. So when you're fishing this chatterbait, you want to go a little slower when you're trying to reel it next to the bottom. And when you're trying to get a reaction bite, you want to go just a little faster. And this bait darts back and forth, side to side, without you even twitching it. That's what's crazy about this chatterbait. I'm going to show you it here in an upcoming video. Underwater action, everything. But this bait is amazing, better than a jackhammer. Got one. Right up next to the bank. That's what these girls are overlooking. They think you gotta cast way out in the middle to catch the fish. But I wait for them to move on down the bank, then I cast right in front of where they were sitting, parallel the bank, get you another one. Gotta be careful so you don't get hung up on all these trees, but keep your rod way out there, parallel the bank. Fish hang out next to the bank. It's just what they do. A lot of times, especially in your ponds. Yeah. What you got?
Twig.
Twig? Look at you go.
Oh no, it's in his eye.
It's in his eye.
To do it.
There you go. Woo. Feisty.
It went in his eye. That's so sad.
There you go.
Like,
that's a good one.
that's not bad.
Nice.
I name you Billy.
Billy. Well, you guys are tied 1-1. Uh-oh. I got 5.
Don't worry, you know you got 5.
No hard feelings.
I got 5, guys.
I'm gonna fish right by you. Yeah. Shoot. We gotta go put you on another one. I didn't bring any more. Begging. Yeah, right in front of where the overflow is.
Yeah. Dang it. Yikes.
Shoot. Update.
Update. Well, I caught a big one, but I didn't get to see it because.
Snapped you off.
Yep. No more. He gone.
So what are we doing?
We're going to the second pond where I will take first.
ready?
Yeah, boy.
All right, pond number 2.
Okay, what should I use? What should I use, guys? Got it, I'll do that.
It's like Dora.
Okay, here we go. New pond. Cody's throwing a Senko, Faye's throwing a worm. I'm throwing a jerkbait. I've never used the jerkbait here. Water's clear, pond's deep, and they're finicky. So, we're just gonna see what we can catch them on. No bites yet. Switch to a Senko. There's giants in here. I don't get why we can't catch them. Nice. Cody's hooked up. You got the first. The first at the new pond, babe. Let's see it. Good job. Good job. On the worm. Nice. Give me some. Okay. You got the first, biggest, and most here so far. Yeah! Woo! I got one! There we go. Had to put on a wacky rig Senko. Scout, look at that! Look at that! Yeah, another one for Team Boys. Oh, get him, honey. Nice. Good one? Oh, yeah, he's still on there. Oh, that's a stud. Ooh, yeah. First cast when you put the Senko on.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my, he was really swimming.
Okay, I got him on land. Does he count?
Yeah. You want me to help?
No.
All right. Ah, don't lose him.
Come on, buddy.
There you go.
Boat flip.
Boat flip. That's a good one, babe. Let's see that bad boy. Wow.
Here he is.
Mm-hmm. That's my girl.
I really hooked him though.
Yeah, he wasn't getting off, was he?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Yeah, you might
This
do
one's
that
in a weird spot on his jaw. Oh, hey, there you go.
Hold that.
Yeah, it's got a little ways to go. And
Yeah, he got a slight
he barely
touch
made it
in.
in. You gotta toss him in the water next time.
Well, I thought maybe it'd like be a little bit
Softer,
less.
a little softer landing.
Yeah.
He did land on the weeds, so it probably was, you're right. Look at that.
Look at that.
Bam. Stinker. Now you're at 2 with the biggest and the first and the most. Here. Crushing it. Did you check your line after getting all wrapped up? Spotted bass. Wow.
That feels good to be winning, you know what I'm saying?
Yep, I do.
You know, you remember when you asked where we were going and I said to the next pond, so I would become in first place. So I'd be in first place?
Yeah.
Well, I called it.
Good job, babe. You're crushing it. We're struggling. You're over here catching them on the Senko. I don't want the wacky rig. Nice. Good job. On the little worm, huh?
Yeah.
He ate it.
I know.
He's gone.
Can you get it?
Good one.
Can you get it out so I can reuse it?
I don't see it.
Dang it. Bye, Trevor.
That one's name's Trevor, huh?
Yep. Billy?
Good job. Do you want a little one or the Senko?
A little one.
Okay. Gotta catch up.
I know.
There you go.
Thanks.
Yep. Get another one. You caught the first, biggest, and the most here. 3 points. I got 3 points at the last pond. Faith. Sorry.
We're not even gonna talk about it.
It was your idea.
It was your idea.
So, what are we gonna do now? We're gonna go to a store or gas station, and she's gonna have to fake fart.
Yep.
Phone noise. We're gonna try and get on video, get their reaction. The cops gonna be coming once we get done doing this. Just kidding. Here we go. See you at the store. All right, so we're here at Walgreens, and Faith was a trooper. We made her do it 3 times.
Too many times.
Yeah, because the people wouldn't give us a reaction, and we know they heard it. But the third guy we did it to, he saw me filming, and we got
I
him.
said, "Are y'all serious?"
And then he was laughing. Yeah, that was fun. Had a fun competition.
Yeah.
Good job, good job.
Good job.
Way to catch him at the second pond. Got him at the first pond. Faith caught
One at
each pond. And we each caught a good one though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did.
It was a pretty fun day.
It was fun.
All right. We're going to get out of here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. We'll catch you next time here on Fishing with Nordbye.